Today I'm making a mushroom bolognese. This recipe is completely plant-based, so it starts with the same way a traditional bolognese is going to start. So I'm using a variety of mushrooms to create a bigger, bolder flavor for our sauce. I have portobello, king oyster, button, cremini. So these are maitake mushrooms. They're the meatiest mushroom. It's gonna give that most similar taste to a beef. Again, I'm putting these all in the food processor together. You're just gonna wanna scoop everything from the food processor right into your pan. So we have all of our mushrooms in here. We're gonna add our salt and pepper, our aromatics, bay leaf and thyme, some soy sauce, chili 2.0, some porcini powder just to kick up that mushroom, and some umami. We're also gonna add tomato paste and some red wine. So we're gonna cover, let this go for a couple hours, then come back and check on our dinner. We're gonna pop this in and cook it al dente and serve it up. You would fool even the biggest meat eater with this dish. The only thing missing is some fresh basil and a fork.